The U.S. Air Force has consistently proven itself as the unrivaled ruler of the skies. Packed with state-of-the-art technology and a fleet of aircraft that most nations can only dream of, it stands as a global benchmark. But which planes truly reign supreme in its arsenal? And can China's growing Air Force rival the dominance of the U.S. Air Force in the near future? Let's dive in and uncover the answers in today's video. Fighter jets are the crown jewels of any military arsenal. Without a fleet of cutting-edge warplanes, a nation risks losing air superiority, tantamount to surrendering the battlefield. Securing advanced fighter jets isn't just a strategic move, it's a necessity. Three titans dominate the global stage: the Chengdu J-20, the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, and the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. The Chengdu J-20, nicknamed the Mighty Dragon, represents China's peak engineering, while the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II are America's unrivaled masterpieces. These warbirds are endlessly compared across performance metrics, and today we'll pit them against each other in a detailed analysis across 10 key parameters. Let the battle of the skies begin. The Chengdu J-20 is a mechanical marvel, equipped with two Shenyang WS-10C engines featuring afterburning turbofans. Together, they produce an impressive 142 to 147 kilonewtons, 32,000 to 33,000 pounds force of thrust, making it China's fastest and most formidable fighter jet. On the American side, the F-22 Raptor flexes its might with two Pratt & Whitney F1-19-PW-100 augmented turbofans, delivering a staggering 156 kilonewtons, 35,000 pounds force, of thrust. Meanwhile, the F-35 Lightning II, despite having only one Pratt & Whitney F135PWW-100 turbofan, generates an incredible 191 kilonewtons, 43,000 pounds force of thrust, surpassing both its competitors in sheer output. Nicknamed the Mighty Dragon, the Chengdu J-20 lives up to its name with an impressive wingspan of 13.01 meters, exuding a majestic presence in the sky. Its closest rival, the F-22 Raptor, edges slightly ahead with a 13.56 meter wingspan, though the difference has minimal impact on their flight dynamics. The F-35 Lightning II, with a more compact wingspan of 11 meters, compensates with superior wing loading, enabling exceptional lift capabilities that enhance its agility and versatility in combat. A fighter jet is only as effective as its fuel capacity allows. The Chengdu J-20 and F-22 Raptor both set the gold standard with fuel tanks capable of holding 26,000 pounds. This ensures extended mission durations and fewer refueling stops. In contrast, the F-35 Lightning II, with a capacity of 18,250 pounds, falls behind its competitors in endurance. However, its design prioritizes efficiency in other areas to make up for this shortfall. When it comes to range, the Chengdu J-20 takes the lead, boasting a remarkable 3,400 miles with its external fuel tanks, making it one of the most fuel-efficient fighter jets on the planet. The F-22 Raptor offers a respectable 1,800-mile range, extendable with external tanks, while the F-35 Lightning II rounds out the trio with a 1,700-mile range. While both American jets trail their Chinese rival in mileage, their versatility and firepower make up for it in other ways. Speed is a crucial factor in air combat, enabling quick strikes, evasive maneuvers, and tactical retreats. The F-22 Raptor dominates this category with a breathtaking Mach 2.25 top speed, achieved at high altitudes. The Chengdu J-20 follows closely at Mach 2, maintaining its reputation as China's fastest jet. The F-35 Lightning II, while no slouch, is more mission-oriented, maxing out at Mach 1.6. These fighter jets are not just sleek machines, they're flying arsenals. The Chengdu J-20 boasts an impressive range of air-to-air missiles, AAMs, but lacks a cannon, focusing exclusively on long-range precision strikes. The American jets, on the other hand, bring more versatility to the table. The F-22 Raptor is equipped with a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan rotary cannon, while the F-35 Lightning II ups the ante with a 25mm GAU-22A 4-barrel rotary cannon. Both are also armed with a variety of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, making them adaptable to a wider range of combat scenarios. A fighter jet's offensive capabilities mean little without robust defenses. The Chengdu J-20 excels in stealth, using radar-absorbent materials and the ability to launch PL-10 missiles without opening its bay doors, keeping it virtually undetectable. The F-22 Raptor takes stealth to the next level with advanced avionics, ensuring its pilots always stay ahead of enemy aircraft. Meanwhile, the F-35 Lightning II emerges as the ultimate defensive machine, featuring cutting-edge sensors and communication systems that make it a fortress in the sky. Which of these warbirds is truly the best? That's for you to decide. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling breakdowns of military tech.